template enhancement, additional colors. In this lesson, we'll enhance our template and talk about how we can get additional colors into our data visualizations, especially for items and links. So let's go into Tableau and let's get started. So the easiest way to go about this, and a standard way, would be to take type. Let's drop that into color. And as you can see, we have two types. We have links and we have items. And we can color that way. So again, something I want to show you. The other thing we could do, and this is why we have items, or we have IDs. We could take IDs into color. And we can also color this. For me, typically, type is a good one because it allows us to actually change the color of the links to, for example, let's go for a gray tone because it's not the most important aspect, and we can leave the links as blue. Now the key behind this, and something that's quite important, is that in some of my clients we've built similar visualizations, and the key is that each of the items can be color coordinated depending on a field in the database. So you could have a color field in your dataset, in your template itself, and you could use that. That could actually be derived. For example, it could be what tasks are on the critical path. How can we actually color? So there are multiple ways that you can actually deal with this aspect. One, very brute force, is ID, but it doesn't quite work as well, especially if IDs change a lot. Type is very common, but you can also enhance your template to add additional fields for color, and that's something that is very common. So I just want to walk you through that. You can add attributes to colors, text, tooltips, anything you fancy. However, let's move on to the next lesson. Color, explore, see what you come up with, and see you very shortly.